Expression encoder screen.
Welcome to another lesson by yourtechvision.com, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs, Google Slides, and Excel sheets. All of that works with the same type of commands. You want to use, for flawless navigation, you want to use NVDA and Firefox. JAWS also works, but it takes a few more keystrokes to do it, and you need to be a more advanced JAWS user. So here I am in World Religion Survey. This was sent to one of my students. I figure out how to navigate it, and then I teach my student. So the first thing you need to do is make sure accessibility is on, so Ctrl-Alt-Z.
Screen reader support disabled.
Disabled. So you know it's disabled. Now enable it.
Screen reader support enabled.
And technically once you enable it, it's always enabled, which is a really nice feature. Now visually you can see that it's view only, so you cannot edit in this, and the student will figure that out very fast as they move around. So you're going to go ahead and tab in.
Centered title world religions selected.
And it speaks everything within your placeholders.
Subtitle survey project selected.
Okay, and when you want to move to your next slide, and the way the blind student knows is they just tab in.
Centered title world religions selected.
And it repeats. So now they need a page down.
Changed to slide 2.
And it tells you everything.
Title directions selected.
Okay, go to your next one.
Body bullet. You are going to be covering basic information on the main world religions bullet. Make a copy of this presentation and title it to last name, first name, comparative religions bullet. Change the share settings so anyone can comment bullet. Fill in the missing information in the presentation,
Okay,
including
so
images for...
all the information is in here for the student. So the first thing you need to do is access that menu bar. And the way you access your menu bar in order to do everything, and as soon as you copy it and enable it, you're going to have a whole other line of features open up. So you need to do Alt/.
Search the menu Alt + edit for autocomplete.
Always
Menu
immediately
submenu.
pop to your help menu. Now to check to see if you're in accessibility, you can just right arrow.
Accessibility submenu 5 of.
I also know that file is just going to be the right.
File submenu 1 of 5.
I could have left and gone help, view, edit, file. Now I need to make a copy of this so I can go into edit mode.
Share.
There's my share button. I'm coming back to that.
New, open, make a copy, C, 4 of 7.
And while I'm here, I'm just going to tell you, if I continue to down arrow,
Move down, email as a download as.
there's
submenu 1
download
of 3.
as, and a lot of times, if my students don't have internet at home,
Microsoft PowerPoint.pdf.
they can download it as a Microsoft PowerPoint, so they can go ahead and do the work at home without internet, and then go ahead and upload it right back to their Google Sheets, or if you're using Word, Docs, or Excel.
Menu bar.
So I'm going to go back up to make a copy and hit enter.
Copy document dialog. Enter a new document name. C.
Okay, I'm just going to erase this part, and I'm going to put
number 2. D-A-R-E.
and just call it my first name, Denise.
OK button.
And OK
Space.
button.
About colon blank busy. About colon blank.
And now a copy opens up that is editable.
Screen reader support enabled. To Denise.
If you can visually see, you'll see a menu bar that's ginormous now, so I'm going to go up there so everybody can see it. So Alt/.
Search the menu Alt + edit for
Okay,
auto.
and I'm going to go ahead and left arrow.
Table
There's my
submenu 9 of
table,
11.
options,
Tools submenu. Arrange submenu. Format submenu. Slide submenu. Insert submenu. New submenu. Edit submenu.
So
File submenu 1
everything
of.
that those directions told her to do, told my student to do, to insert your pictures and everything, it's all up there in the menu. All you have to do is access the menu. This works very similarly to the regular PowerPoint. So if you know your PowerPoint commands, you can move pretty fast. So the next thing I need to do while I'm up in File is share this, because those were the instructions. So
Share.
there's
S. 1
share.
of 1. Loading. Dialog. Grouping. Menu bar.
Now, students, they need to share it with the whole class. There is actually a class list name, but I'm just going to use my email.
D-E-A-R-E-R. Added Denise Robinson. Dennis access level for invited
And
people.
the students need to be able to edit. There's also another lesson out there on how you edit within a document and share that with groups, and that's on yourtechvision.com also.
Add a note edit multi-S-E-E-T.
Okay, and you can write your classmates a note on what you want them to do.
Send button.
And send.
Share with others document. Shared with one
Okay,
person.
and that's off. And now it's
specific.
shared. Now I can go ahead and do the work as the teacher has asked me. And
Centered title world religions
okay,
selected.
first slide, I'm going to go ahead.
Changed to slide 2.
Okay, I already know, I've already read those directions, so I'm going to go down to slide 3.
Changed to slide 3.
Okay, so to access those URLs,
Title helpful web pages select body link start bullet HTTP.
now for
//
blind software, you want to enter into this slide, and truly the easiest way to do it is just hit a letter, any letter, it doesn't matter because you're going to erase it.
B.
And then erase the letter, and then I have the kids control home
Link start bullet HTTP.
to get to the top of the slide. So that's how you're going to start editing this. You can add information, add a picture, get rid of it. But here is a URL that the kids need to go to. So they're going to select this URL.
Link, double.zip religion.com selected.
Control-Shift down arrow would have also worked. I'm going to have them copy that.
Copied selection to clipboard.
They are going to open a new tab with Control-T.
Navigation toolbar.
And they are going to paste
selected
that
slash.
URL in.
New tab busy religion, world religions,
And
comparative
there's the
religion,
world
just the
religions.
facts on the world.
Now, everything that they need, they're going to have to go ahead and Control Tab back and forth between this. So I'm going to go ahead and have them go back, Control Shift Tab, since I know
to
it was
these
the
comparative
last
religions, KW Google slide.
And they're going to open all of these links, and they're just going to page down.
Changed to slide 4 pop-up menu.
So the first religion that they need to do.
Title Hinduism. Symbol selected.
So they're going to Control Tab back to the religions. They're going to go into Hinduism, and they're going to do the search on that, and then fill out this information. Once again, tab.
What is it called?
To access that, hit a letter, any letter.
B.
You enter into it.
B.
And then you Control Home.
Bullet, what is it called?
And then you go ahead and answer that.
Dash.
Okay? And they just type in the information and they can save it. So let's say I want to actually insert a picture. You're going to go up to your menu bar again, Alt/.
Search the menu, Alt plus slash edit for autocomplete.
And you're going to go to
tool,
Insert.
Arrange, format, slide, insert submenu for text box.
There's
D,
your text boxes, image,
3 of
and I'm
11.
going to go ahead and insert an image in there. Well, the students are going to save that from the internet, and then they're going to go ahead and insert it, because right now I don't have one. But I can go to my image,
button.
and I can choose an image to
File
upload.
upload dialog, select a file to preview.
There's my images. I'm going to go ahead and
Address
go
combo
to
box collapse.
Alt-D will just access you to the login box. I'm going to go ahead and access
library
my pictures.
toolbar, desktop split up. File name, combo box collapse, edit
And I
Alt
can
D.
just do any, let's
Deer
do
dot
it, go
KP.
ahead and put a deer in there.
Comparative religions,
And it
KW.
will upload it. But of course, they're going to input a Hinduism symbol there. But that's how easy it is. All aspects are Google Drive, Docs, everything is very, very accessible, works flawlessly if you use the right software. And truly, the most flawless software is NVDA with Firefox. Have fun.